Welcome to Nucamat, your partner in automation solutions for quality control laboratories in the mining, minerals, and metals industry. In this presentation, we invite you to explore the fully automated process for the preparation and analysis of copper concentrate samples. Each incoming powdered sample is gravimetrically dosed with milligram precision. An automated acid dispenser, operating on an analytical balance, then adds exactly measured amounts of concentrated acids inside a dedicated fume hood. A corrosion-resistant robot carefully transfers the sample to a hot plate for digestion. All hazardous acid operations are performed inside an automated robotic fume hood, ensuring maximum safety for laboratory staff and minimizing exposure to potential health risks. During digestion, leach caps are used to reduce acid evaporation. Once this stage is complete, the caps are removed to allow further concentration of the sample under controlled heating conditions. After aqueous reconstitution with a precise mixture of ammonia, hydrofluoric acid, and acetic acid, the samples are transferred to the automated titration bench. The entire process is managed by Robin, Nucamat's event-driven real-time scheduler. Robin coordinates all instruments and devices in the system, continuously optimizing efficiency and throughput. A range of analytical techniques can be integrated inline or run offline, from ICPOES and ICP-MS trace-level metal analysis to automated electrochemical titrators for higher concentration quantification. In this application, a iodometric color titration has been implemented to provide a validated, non-contact method that meets performance requirements. Color changes from each reagent addition are tracked automatically through video analysis, allowing accurate determination of the titration endpoint when the deep blue color has faded completely to white. From this titrant volume, the percentage of copper in the sample is calculated with a precision up to 2 decimal places. For quality assurance, every sample generates a complete digital audit trail, documenting all relevant weights, volumes, and timings. Once analysis is complete, the titrator and glassware are automatically cleaned online, preparing the system for the next set of samples in a continuous 24/7 workflow. Nucamat, automation for precision, safety, and reliability in analytical laboratories worldwide.